For years, this aircraft existed only in fragments of satellite images, rumors, and blurred footage. Deep within a remote forest, far from public view, the remains of a Sukhoi SU-57 Felon lay scattered and silent. Nature had begun reclaiming what was once one of the most advanced military aircraft ever conceived. The crash site told its own story. Twisted metal partially buried beneath soil and leaves. Sections of the airframe hidden under fallen trees. What was left behind was not a weapon, but a symbol of modern aviation ambition frozen in time. Exposure to weather, moisture, and decay had taken its toll, turning cutting-edge engineering into a fragile relic. Recovery began with documentation. Every visible component was recorded before removal. Larger sections were carefully extracted from the forest floor, lifted one by one, and transported to a controlled facility. This was not about rebuilding for flight. It was about preservation, analysis, and understanding the aircraft's design and structure. Inside the restoration space, the damage became clearer. Composite panels showed stress fractures. Internal structures revealed how the aircraft absorbed impact. Wiring, avionics housings, and engine components were inspected not to reactivate, but to stabilize and conserve what remained. Each step was deliberate. Nothing rushed, nothing forced. Cleaning came next. Layers of dirt, corrosion, and biological growth were removed to expose the aircraft's true condition. Slowly, the recognizable lines of the SU-57 emerged again, angular surfaces, designed to reduce visibility, contours shaped by decades of aerospace research. What remains today is not a flying machine, but a restored artifact, a preserved example of modern military aviation history, recovered from isolation and decay. The SU-57 Felon stands as a reminder of how quickly technology moves, and how easily even the most advanced machines can be lost to time. This is not a story of conflict. It is a story of recovery, preservation, and respect for engineering history. And once again, something the world thought was gone has been brought back into the light.